On the International Day of Genocide Prevention, global concerns have intensified over the imminent threat of genocide facing Muslims in India and occupied Kashmir. Kashmir Media Service reported that while the United Nations marked this day to uphold the Genocide Convention, Hindutva leaders openly advocate for the mass extermination of the Muslims in India and occupied Kashmir. On the eve of the World Human Rights Day, posters appeared in various areas of the occupied Kashmir, drawing global attention towards the severe human rights violations committed by the Indian forces in the territory. The Human Rights Day, observed annually on December 10th, commemorates the United Nations General Assembly's adoption of the Universal Declaration of the Human Rights on this day in 1948. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti's daughter Iltija Mufti has described Hindutva as a disease tarnishing the essence of Hinduism while promoting lynching, especially of the Muslims. Speaking to reporters in Jammu, Iltija said that the BJP is exploiting Hindutva to consolidate its vote bank. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has denounced the unrelenting human rights violations by the Indian troops in occupied Kashmir. On the eve of the World Human Rights Day, APHC affiliated parties including the Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, Tehreek-e-Hurriyat Jammu and Kashmir, Muslim League and Tehreek-e-Muzahimat in their statements in Srinagar urged the global attention towards reversing political and human rights situation in the occupied Kashmir. Occupied Kashmir continues to grapple with an overwhelming backlog of over 3.79 lakh pending cases in its court, a challenge compounded by the detention of thousands of the Kashmiris since the revocation of Article 370 in 2019. The revelations came from a statement by Arjun Ram Meghwal, the Indian Minister of State for Law and Justice, during a Lok Sabha parliamentary session in New Delhi.